Hello everyone. Today we are going to be discussing an important and most likely common problem about the Hot Wheels Tesla RC. While this problem may also affect other Hot Wheels RC cars, this happened to my Tesla and I wanted to share on how to fix it. So the main problem when owning this car is the car will not drive straight unless you are using the boost, which is the button on top of the remote. And if you don't do that, then the car will drive in circles. Or maybe one wheel is driving slower than the other. And one way to fix it is, let's pry this thing open so I can show everyone how to fix it. By the way, when you're screwing this thing back, make sure to not screw this thing all the way in. Make sure to leave a little bit of wiggle room, because otherwise this will actually damage the plastic and could lead to more problems if you're watching this video. It might even add more problems to your already filled with problems Tesla RC. Now, for now, we don't need this part or this front axle, which does not move, and this plastic shell. Right now we are focusing on the circuitry board, and you'll notice that the battery pack, which is this thing, is only separate from the microchip of the Tesla RC with this little foam thing. And what happens sometimes is little dust particles, if you see right here, come in and jam the engines over here. So you're gonna have to give this thing a bit of a tug right here, take it off, and these are actually the engines of the car. And sometimes, as there's already some over here, you can see some of the dust from this little thing transferred over here and clogged up the car, especially if you're driving over surfaces like dusty floors or maybe carpet, which I highly do not suggest. It's better to drive this car on a wooden floor, or I like to drive it in the garage because there's a bunch of empty and flat space, perfect for race car racing. So what you do is get a toothpick and you gently have to hold this little thing together. You have to pry off the little dust bunnies in here, maybe use your fingers a bit, and that's basically about it. There's not really any other ways to fix your Tesla RC. This engine, as you can see, is clean except this little bunny in the corner. And yes, this is literally the simplest way to fix your Tesla RC. Now you have to make sure to put this thing back correctly and put these little axles in the correct spot. Whoopsies, wheel fell off. That's not supposed to happen. Remember, each of these little things is supposed to go in the hole it's designed to be in, otherwise the car will not move. And just like that, you have fixed your Tesla RC.